Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Najihah Binti Mostafa Kamal. My matric number is A166286.
Okay, hi. So for today, I will share with you on how to calculate and insert data using Google Sheet. So first of all, I would like to share on how to calculate mean, median, and standard deviation using Google Sheet. So first of all, we will calculate the mean, and here, as you can see, I have written down, insert in the Google Sheet on the formulas on how to calculate them. So first of all, we will calculate mean. So what you have to do is to click the next column or where you want your answer to be, and just write. First of all, you need to remember that you have to always insert equal, the sign equal, and then write the average, just like how using the formula that I've put in pink. Write average, and then you can either click or keep on writing, and then you will drag the data on which one you want to calculate. So I would like to calculate the score for 1 until 20 of my students. So I will drag from 30, the first score, until the end score. And you will close the parentheses and you press enter. That is your first data. That is the mean of your data. The second one is median. So using the same formula, the different formula, but using the formulas that I've put down in the pink, in the color pink, and you do it just like you do for mean to calculate median. So remember to always put equal, and then write median. Click which data that you want, and just like mean, I would like it from data number 1, which is score 30, until the last one, 28, and then close the parentheses and click enter. There you go, the second result for your median, and the last one is standard deviation. And how you would like to calculate your standard deviation is by using the formula, and here's how I'm going to show you. First, you put in equal. Remember to always put equal. And then STDEV, standard deviation, that is short for standard deviation. Click standard deviation, put in which data you want to calculate. Again, score 30 until score 28, and then close the parentheses and click enter. There you go. That is for mean, median, and standard deviation. Okay, so next I will show you on how to insert your data to a histogram. Okay, first of all, you need to know from where of your data until where from your data that you want to put in your histogram. So I will be only using 10 data. So I will drag data number 1 in column 2 until data number 10 on column 11, and I will click insert, choose chart, and then choose which chart you want to. And for this one, we want histogram, so you will have to use column chart. And there you go. Now arrange it to where you want to put it. Where? Over here. There you go, and that is for histogram. Okay, so next I will show you on how to insert your data into box plot. So first of all, what you need to do is to calculate the result, the data that you want to put in, using the formula in pink that I have stated above here. So always remember, just like in mean, median, and standard deviation, you need to put an equal first, like that. Now you write mean, and from where until where. So I want to put C2 until C11. Close the parentheses. This is C2 until C11. Yes, just like how I want it. And then you press enter. There you go, your first result. The second one, that is for if you want to find minimum. Now you want to find the lower quartile. Use the formula that I've stated above also in that pink. So you write, remember to put equal first, then quartile, and then you put parentheses, which data you want to put in, C2 until C11. I will be using the same data. And and don't forget to insert 1, comma 1, and click enter. There you go, your lower quartile. Now we go on to upper quartile, which is using the same method but different formula. So remember to put equal first. Now you put in quartile, parentheses, which data you want to put in, and don't forget, for the lower quartile you put 1, for the upper quartile you have to put 3. Close the parentheses and click enter. There you go, your result. And the last one, using the formula given, equal max. This is to find out the maximum value in your data, which data you want to be put in. Put in the brackets and click enter. There you go. So now, how to put it into a box plot. Drag all of these scores together and click insert, chart. Find what type of chart you want to put, and right now I would like to put it in a candlestick chart, and there you go. So now arrange them neatly in your table. You can even resize it like that. You're done for your box plot. Now moving on to the last question. The last requirement for this task is to put in your stem and leaf plot. So what you need to do is, as you see right here, I have made a table, a simple table. This can be done manually. And now I would like to just insert the data that I want to put in. So I've also arranged the data that I want to put in here because it will be easier for me to look instead of scrolling up and down. Okay, so now, first of all, what to put in under stem, and for stem and plot we don't need to use any formulas. Okay, you just need to understand. So first of all, what you need to put under stem is the number in front of your score. For example, in this column C, you have 30. So how do you put it into a stem and leaf plot? Is by the number 3 in 30 should be put under stem. Now the leaf is the 0, and you just put in number 0. You're done for your first data. Now for the second data, you don't put it under stem. The number 3, you don't have to put it under the number stem. Instead, you just have to put the number 1 after the number 0 in the second column. So put in number 1. You're done. So you go on with the other numbers, and for this stem and leaf plot I use only 10 data. So next is 26. Again, using the same method, you put 2 in here and then you put 6. For the second number 24, you do not have to put 2 under here. Instead, you only have to put the number 4 after the number 6. And same goes for 28. The number 2 is already here, so now you only have to put the number 8 here. Same goes for 20. 2 is in front, now you only have to put 0 here. And the last 20 data is 2 in front, 7 after 0. There you go. Now this one is a new number because it has a different stem. So what you need to do is to put the number 1 here under the stem column first, and then put the number 8 under the leaf column over here. Same goes to the data 19, the number 1 in front, 9 over here. And the last number is 18, number 1 under the stem already, and you just have to put the number 8 here. And that is all for today. Thank you very much for listening.